Welcome everybody. Welcome to Excel Prop Marketing Services. Just thought of showing you Foxconn Bangalore location as per recent information what we have got latest news last Monday. So government of Karnataka have already announced Foxconn location in like they have given 300 acre land to Foxconn for manufacturing of the iPhone chips, I think. Right, let us first go and look out for Foxconn Bangalore location. You just need to go onto Google and search for Foxconn Bangalore location. The moment you search, we have here manufacturer in Karnataka. Click on directions. The moment you click on directions, here we have the direction of the Foxconn location. All right, and this will be very closer to DC Devanahalli DC office. Right, people who are aware, there is an office DC office in Devanahalli, very close to that. Like I think from there it's about 5 kilometers inside, just about 5 kilometers distance, and will almost 11 to 12 kilometers to Brigade Oasis, Godrej Reserve, Century, then Arvind, then we have Orchid Nirvana, the upcoming project of Prestige Sunset Park, if I'm not wrong. So this is the exact location of Foxconn as per Google. So you can search. Exactly, this is in between Devanahalli and Doddabalapur, exactly in center. We'll have a Nandi Hills view as well. So here is the Nandi Hills. So there's an entire area. So just look at the connectivity of this Foxconn. So you have the connectivity from this road from Birasandra, and it will definitely from Birasandra and as well as from Konagata, and this Konagata road will also connect us to Nandi Hills. So here we have the Devanahalli. From here we have the Nandi Hills area. Right, that's the update of Foxconn. So people who are waiting for this information, so now we have the Foxconn marked on Google Map. You can search for Foxconn Bangalore location. If you are interested for real estate investment in Bangalore, don't forget to call us. We have plotted development in the Nandi Hills. We have plots available for sale. The upcoming project by Brigade Prestige, and then we also have a few plotted development which are ready for registration near Nandi Hills. Don't forget to reach us, everybody. Thank you so much for watching us. Stay safe.